Today we're making a mocha peanut butter shake. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making my favorite breakfast, and even though this is a really easy recipe, it's not 100% a recipe, simply because adjust this one. Adjust it for your own taste. I make this every morning, and that's why there are some things which you're going to say, well, that seems a little bit much for all of that. But let's start off with what this is. I am using my homemade mocha syrup. If you want to learn how to make your own mocha syrup, click that eye in the sky. This has chocolate and coffee. What could be better? So we are starting off with about a cup of ice cubes. Yeah, and if you're wondering why this recipe seems sort of weird, it's because it has been so long since I've actually made this recipe with measured out ingredients that I'm actually having to think about this. In this, I have 2 cups of milk. Then we're going to start the blending process. While that's blending, I'm going to add my dehydrated peanut butter. Dehydrated peanut butter is actually pressed peanuts where they take all the oil out of it and then they press it and you get leftover dehydrated peanuts and they turn it into a powder. It's really simple. If you want to figure out where to get your own, check down in the description. I have my Amazon affiliate link which will show you where you can get that. Then I'm going to add, and you can add this too, as much of the mocha chocolate syrup to this as you want. That's the cool part. I use about maybe 1/4 of a cup. Like I said, it has been forever since I've actually measured this out. I do it by sight. Then I'm going to pour it into my cup and give this a taste. That is so good. It has the wonderful mocha chocolate taste, which is just really good. Then that hint of peanut butter, which then also gives you the protein. So yeah, if you're thinking about adding whey and that sort of stuff to it, you really could. You could go ahead and add your whey to this, but it is so good. And I honestly mean this. This is one of my favorites. I have this every morning. If you watch my blog, you will see that on my blog, I talk about this, and I have this all the time. This is my go-to breakfast drink. So if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. If you alter the recipe, hey, let me know, because I love to hear different ways of making this. I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.